So here is how you can update the browser on the iPhone. So let me fully explain it. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So it depends on which browser you are using, because we have the built-in one called Safari right in here. It's the one made by Apple, right? And it's built in on every iPhone, but you might as well be using a different one. For example, Google Chrome, made by Google, or other browser you have downloaded from the App Store. If you want to update this Safari one, you cannot really find the updates specifically for the browser only, as the updates are only part of the general software update. So if you want to update a Safari right there, you would go to the settings, make sure you are on the first page, go to general settings and find software update. And this is the software update, which is for the entire phone, right? So as you can see, iOS 26.5 is available. So you can install it for your whole device. More changes might be part of it. But the point is that the only way we can update the Safari browser is through this general software update. So as you can see, there are the things listed about what's new. And if there is anything new, this is how you can get it. So that's like you can get the latest Safari browser. But if you have a third-party one downloaded from the App Store, a lot of people have like the Firefox or Google Chrome. If you have those apps installed, you will be able to look them up in here and see if there is an update available next to them, right? So if you use Chrome, just look it up inside of the App Store right there. And as you can see in my case, it says open because I recently updated it. But if there is an update available, it will literally say update. You can see below that there was a new version released 5 days ago. So it's always a good idea to check out the App Store to see if there isn't anything new to be downloaded and updated. But that's all I really wanted to show you and share in this video. I hope that I was able to guide you through it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.